If you don't have the TikTok application on your phone, download it first from the Google Play Store. You have to select the categories you are interested in. Enter the profile. Here, choose whether to open a TikTok account with a phone number, open it with Gmail, or open a link with a Facebook account. It will only open with the phone number, so I'll just select phone. If you want to connect to your Gmail account, you must open it here. Enter your phone number. Click on Send Code. 6-digit code sent by TikTok will be sent to your phone number. Enter the 6 code numbers. Click Create Account. Enter your birthday. Enter the password you want to add. Enter your name. The name must be changed after 7 days. You can modify the username as you like. You have successfully completed creating a TikTok account. Thanks for watching till the end.